I'm Barry. I'm a V.I.P franchisee since 2010. What is good to be a V.I.P commercial cleaning franchisee is it have a good chance to keep learning and more freedom of your lifestyle, and also can build the network in the future from current clients. I was worked for a chef in the noodle bar, and also I worked as a accountant for 1 or 2 years. The first thing is I think I can choose my own lifestyle, be my own boss, have more choice. I have my own customer, I have my own team, I have my own cash flow. I have my own decision, I have my own company. That is it's all my own. Sometimes I work for the midnight, sometimes I get up in the 5 o'clock in the morning. That doesn't matter because I enjoyed it. With my family, I like to go hiking, swimming as well sometimes. My business is already upgraded from commercial cleaning to specialized cleaning, like carpet, hard floor, window cleaning. I work with home cleaners, window cleaners. I also work with other companies. So we're getting bigger and bigger and more efficiently and more teamwork jobs. My wife normally work with me sometimes, and he also do some paperwork. I employed some employees, so our team around 6 to 7 people. Keep learning and serious know the cleaning. We learned a lot from my own customers.